Hey Gamecocks! My name's Kate Lewis and I'm your Student Body Treasurer. Welcome to the Online Treasurers Workshop. If you are the president or the treasurer of your student organization, then this video is for you. Have you ever wondered how to receive funding from the Activity Fund? Everything you need to know is located on GarnetGate. Log in and click on your student organization, and then in the upper right-hand corner, click Manage Organization. You will see a tab on the upper left-hand corner. Click Finance. On that page, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see the Request Funding form. This form has everything that you need to know, so fill out all of the necessary information and review the Student Government Codes and Finance Committee guidelines that are hyperlinked at the bottom. If you have any trouble throughout this process, do not hesitate to reach out to your comptroller. There are 7 comptrollers in my office, and all of them are assigned student organizations here on campus. Their information can be found underneath the Treasurers tab on the Student Government website with their email and phone number. Thank you so much for watching this video, and go Gamecocks!